Well, fishing out here, using a lizard out in this area. Caught her right down there. Caught this nice little bass out there. It's about 9 o'clock maybe, and hopefully we can catch some more. Just release it. There he goes. Stay tuned. Fishing a lizard. Oh, there we go. Ow! Nice bass. Small. Got a bluegill. Get this unhooked. Right on the top lip. Lizard and the bass. Aggressive fish. Pretty good. Now let's release it. Then you got the bluegill.
Crappie.
Oh, got a crappie right there. Fishing the lizard. Oh, there we go. Oh. There we go. Got a bass off the same lizard. And buddy over there got a crappie. Another double. Bass and a crappie this time.
This one's a little bigger than the last one.
Yeah. Look at that. Gotta love it. See how this compares to this. About
a little bigger than the other one.
A little bigger than the other one, but good. Let's go and release this. Buddy's fly fishing over there.
Put this in your fish tank.
Using the lizard again.
I'm gonna put this thing in mine.
Oh, there we go. Off the lizard again. Oh, the lizard. Bigger than the other two. Let's get this in the top lip. There we go. That's a little bit bigger than the other two. Destroyed this. Not that bad. It's got a belly to it. Release it. There we go. Third one.